How to limit who sees your past Facebook post. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about limiting who sees your past Facebook post. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device, and then launch the application and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. That is the three horizontal lines. Tap on it and then scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy, and from the drop-down menu, click on Settings. Continue scrolling down until you reach the Audience and Visibility section. Now tap on Post, that is below the How People Can Find and Contact You option. Click on it. Then select Limit. It is important to note that if you limit past posts that were previously public or shared with friends, they will now be visible to your friends. If you want to proceed, tap on Limit Past Post option, that is highlighted in blue color, and then again confirm by tapping on Limit Past Post. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.